Simple and easy meals always makes the life easier, and I'm going to show you how to create a quick breakfast using spinach, cheese and some tomatoes. This is completely vegetarian and I'm using some tortilla wraps, or you can use normal wraps, and about a cup of cheese, 1 tomato, half of an onion because this is a large onion, and few cloves of garlic, salt, pepper and some paprika, and some spinach. First cut the tomato into small cubes. Now the onion. If you like, you can add some avocado after cooking. Put a pan on the stove and add about a teaspoon of oil. Into that add the onion and the garlic. Cook about a minute until it releases all the aroma and the onions are translucent. After, add the tomatoes. Add salt, pepper and paprika to your taste. Mix. Now add the spinach. And it's ready. Now using a sharp small knife, cut the avocado into cubes and put it into the cooked tomatoes. Put a pan on the stove and add about a teaspoon of oil. Then brush the oil all over the pan and put 1 tortilla wrap, then a spoonful of the mix that you prepared. Add some cheese and another wrap on top. Press and cook it on a very low heat. After a minute, turn it to the other side and cover again. So it's ready. Transfer that onto a wire rack or directly onto the plate. So it's ready. Let's cut it and see how it looks like. You can serve it as full or in quarters. So this is how it looks like. It's a real full meal that you can create in few minutes. Hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.